Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not letting you create a new account. If you're trying to create a new account but for some reason Instagram isn't letting you, here are some ways to fix it. Also, if you're interested in Instagram marketing, growing your account and making money from Instagram, check out our free Instagram resources and newsletter below. But now let's see how to fix Instagram not letting you create a new account. Tap on create new account and put in all the information that is required. If your email doesn't seem to work, that might be because it is tied to another account, which will stop you from being able to use it again. Go to forgot password and enter your email address and see if it emails you a code. In this case, you have to log into that account and change your email and username to have a new account. Another reason you might not be able to create a new account is if your original account got banned. If you think you didn't violate community rules, you can log into your account and submit an appeal. For more information on how to recover a disabled account, you can watch our video titled How to Fix Instagram Account Suspension. Alright, so this is how to fix Instagram not letting you create a new account.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to check out our Make Money with Instagram checklist for free, or the Instagram Growth Checklist, other Instagram marketing resources and deals. Also, we have a free weekly Instagram marketing newsletter for which you can sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check out our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, which you can also find in the video description below.